YouTube? It's your girl PageeTurner, and I'm back with another video. Y'all, I feel like it's been so long since I did that. I ain't even gonna cap to you, but today we have a very exciting and different get ready with me coming your way. So I'm about to get straight into that. But before I do, baby, make sure you y'all like celebrating Black History Month. Let's go. Comment like you do anytime, you see a black person out here winning, doing things, like go sis, go bro, what's up? You already know. And subscribe because we family now and you want to join the lit crew. You feel me? Let's go.
Hey, money, I can be your best dream. I appear in your best dream.
Y'all, so like I already said before, it is Black History Month, and with that, I got some people out here in Philly that I know, some close friends, that is throwing a Black History Month kickback, but it's themed, so we gotta come as a black individual, right? Cool. Now, I decided to dress up as SZA, because I got the afro going. We're gonna pick it out some more, make it all frizzy, but first I gotta get ready to, figure out what I'm gonna wear, how it's gonna look, because yeah, your girl waited till last minute, and that's why this is perfect, because now that I waited till last minute, y'all can help me figure it out. All right, so I'm about to get up, and first things first, pick out the outfit. Second thing, pick the look, because I hope I have the makeup to do SZA makeup look, because it's very particular. It's very particular, and shower and do all that other things. So let's go. Why we wasting time? We're running out of time to figure it out. Let's go straight to the fit. Before we do any fit choices, decisions, we gotta look at the options we have now. We have here. So now I found this piece, this picture of SZA that I really want to create, because it's not a lot of times that you catch up with a plain black afro. I looked it up and I saw this picture. But the problem is, y'all, I don't even think I have anything white like that. Like, I know it's very simple, a cream brown white type, but I don't think I have that white. So I'm like, can I do the same vibe, different color? You feel me? Like maybe all black, maybe all pink. It'll still get SZA because it's her essence. You feel me? But I'm trying to make sure I'm making this accurate as possible. So let's do our research and scroll on SZA's page. Love SZA's vibe. I, had to scroll up on her Instagram, as y'all see me doing here, and it seemed like it came down to I have three choices: this one, or this one. Now, I do have an outfit that SZA wore in one of her photos, in an Instagram photo. It was like this one, like a tan bra top and some camo pants. I have that in my closet, and I can try to find a bunch of jewelry to put on it, but I don't know because she ain't had no fro in that pic. So is it giving the same vibes, I don't know. But the SZA fro is iconic. It comes with her. So I feel like no matter what outfit I put on, as long as it's SZA vibes and I do her makeup right, it's going to give. So let's get into it. After multiple rounds of consideration and a messy room, I finally found the fit. So I'm about to show y'all before I start getting dressed, and I'm gonna take it off, and then it's makeup time, because that's where the real magic happens. That's where the tea at. So here we go. This is the fit. All right, so this is the fit. I got this black shirt, tan bra with the camo pants. Y'all know, haven't decided my shoes yet, but then I got the jewelry. And then I got some dangly hoops that I'm going to put in that's kind of silver. And I'm going to make my afro bigger, hopefully. But first I want to take a shower, get myself together, and do my hair and makeup. So let's go. But yeah, I like it. It's very SZA to me. It's giving SZA. Alright, y'all, we back straight out of the shower. I'm about to see if I can get it together with this makeup. So yeah, I know, I'm gonna start with the eyebrows and build myself around. I already prepped my skin. I used my primer and setting spray with, you already know, moisturizer is the most important thing. I used my Mary Kay Clear Proof moisturizer with the Radiant cool pink primer on top of it. And so my face is set, ready to go, cool, dry. So now I'm just gonna go in and start trying to attempt to do her makeup look that she does. The problem is I already have my lashes on, and I don't know, it's not a problem, but yeah, I'm about to get into this. Let's go. So I'm back, and I got a really important phone call from my mother in like the middle of it, so I didn't get all of my makeup, but I got majority of it, and I'm gonna have to fix it later anyway. So this is the face right now. We gotta fluff out the hair some more because she's looking wild, but it's like, I don't know. Right now it's not where it needs to be. I think it needs to be more round and more like out and defined and a little bit bigger. So we're about to work on that after I clean up all this makeup. So let's get into that. So far so good. All right, so now my teeth is like white, but they're not full-time celebrity white. So I'm about to show y'all how I get my teeth full-time celebrity white. Let's go do that. So this is the magic combo right here. So I'm gonna go in with this first, which I already kind of started to. And for those that's out there like, why did she put her lipstick on if she's just gonna brush her teeth? I like to put it on so I make sure when I put it on later, my lips look just as bright. Because sometimes some lip colors can make it give your teeth like this yucky tint, and I don't like that. I don't like when my teeth I don't like when lipstick do that. So I check it before so I know what my teeth look like going into it to see if I want to change the color. Thank you very much. And don't brush your teeth with this. Don't brush your tongue with the black stuff. Don't brush your tongue with that. Only brush your teeth with the black stuff. Don't brush your tongue with the black stuff. It's not gonna turn out how you think it is. I feel like we can do one more. I feel like I can do one more pass. It'll be a little brighter. A little lighter. And just like that. Pearly white smile. Lego.
Man, blood, that's what I'm gonna tell you.
Gotta remember, a woman,
What's
and
up? But then
she's
she
like,
said, well, I'm gonna tell you, I'm telling her where it came from. And she said, where did it
all right,
come
where
from?
did it come from?
I mean, that's what I was explaining.
Right, go ahead.
You gotta sometimes really...
Yeah. All right, y'all. So next day, I finally just got back to my house. Death got lit yesterday, and I forgot to film me in the actual SZA outfit. Like, I forgot, but I'm gonna run it back for y'all. I'm gonna run it back. But I wanted to show y'all my next day because I feel like I had to give y'all vibes, give y'all why I was gone. This morning, I picked me up some wings. I'm hoping they're good, y'all. I needed some food, man. I hope this is ranch sauce. I hope that lady didn't lie to me. Is this ranch sauce? Is it just me? Or has ranch sauce gotten mad thick? Like, what's up with that? What? All right, y'all. So guess what? I was able to find some videos of me from the event so y'all could see how I looked and everything. So I'm going to insert that right here. So basically, I'm going to get copyrighted if I play the audio. So I'm going to just acapella it. Oh, it different. It different. It different. It different. You got to do the dance. It different. No, I ain't going to do the dance. It different. She was giving what she was supposed to give, okay? But if you made it this far, guess what, boo? You made it to the end of this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you hit that bell. So when I post a video, you can't tell. Make sure you hit that bell. Make sure you hit that bell, bell, bell. All right, y'all. It's PageeTurner. Let go.
Take it, take it.